This is the AMPCOM RJ45 and RJ11 cable tester. You can see it has RJ45 jacks on both the local and the remote unit, an RJ11 jack on both, on the top here on the local unit, on the bottom on the remote. Go ahead and turn it on. And it has a couple of different modes for scanning the pins on both sides. In this normal mode, it runs through at this pace, and its slow mode runs through a little more slowly so you can verify each pin is connected properly. Additionally, it will tell you which pins on the RJ11 side are good. It will test the 3 and 4 and the 5 and the 6 pins to make sure that you have an appropriate pin out. Nice feature of this, I've used a lot of these where the remote unit does not have indicators. This one does. So you can tell from either side whether or not your cable is good. It comes with a pouch. Really my only gripe, pretty small. It's very inexpensive, and the QA shows a little bit for that. The switch is hard to dial in, but you kind of get the hang of it, and it's also difficult to break these two pieces apart. I've got some practice here doing it now though. Overall, I'd recommend it. Works very well for the price of about $10. Hard to beat it.
So I've made a Franken cable with all the different kinds of errors. One wire is disconnected, a couple of wires are shorted together, and 2 of the wires are swapped. And it diagnoses each one. You can see the wrong LED lights up for the swapped ones, pairs of LEDs light up for the bridged ones, and then there's no LED for the open one.